Hello guys and welcome back to yet another episode on Maxi channel, a channel in which we feature the best and the latest clips from the world of traffic. This time we prepared another banger episode filled with all sorts of crazy road moments. If you like this type of content, feel free to hit that like and subscribe button because it means a lot. Without further ado, let's get this episode started. It came to a bad close call at the roundabout. The first biker went into the roundabout, but his buddy followed him immediately and he almost crashed with a driver in a white van. When the biker shook his head in disbelief, all hell broke loose. Watch.
Hello there.
Up, so I don't know why you're shaking your head, right? You drove right in front of me. Just because you're on a motorbike, don't mean you got the right. If your mate followed you, you're lucky I didn't hit you.
You see a full bike, can you just go around anyway?
You don't pull out in front of a van because you're on a motorbike.
Oh, what? You don't fucking wait.
Do you? No. No, I drove right out there and I slowed down for you, but you went out in close, so I slowed down for you, and you free followed him. No, you stopped actually, and you stopped, didn't you? But you carried on.
She was in front of me.
No,
how could she have stopped if she was in front of me?
You should be aware, you always brag on to people in red. You looked at me and you pulled straight out in front of me.
I looked at you after because you were speeding around.
Yes.
Yeah, he did. I'm not saying he didn't.
You give way to
He
your
did
right.
stop.
Right,
He did slow down. I'm not saying he didn't.
So he seen me, he was safe. You followed him, as you do at your age, all right? I used to ride a motorbike, all right? And I know what it's like to be 17-year-old. Alright, or 18-year-old, whatever you are. But you basically, I know how it went. You followed him and you all follow each other, alright? That is what happened. So you should be saying, thanks buddy, for not knocking me off my bike and putting me in a wheelchair, right? There's adverts on the telly about beware of motorbikes. You've got a responsibility to everybody else as well, alright? Now what would your mum be saying if you're on the way in an ambulance on the way to hospital now?
No, I will admit it was my fault because I did that.
Well, no, you probably had enough room to get out, but you know what it's like. You follow your mates out. You follow your mates out.
Can you get my bike?
Yeah.
The only reason I chased you around the corner is because you come out and you shook your head at me. Now, I wouldn't have even come round here now. But you want to realise you come out, you pulled out in front of me, and then when I slammed on, you're there shaking your head at me.
Over there.
This biker passed two police vehicles and was riding over the speed limit. A bit further up the road, the police officer caught up and just told him to keep it at the limit.
What's that? Yes, sir. 45. I've been following the guy in front of me. I passed both of you guys on the right, but then I didn't pass anyone else, so I slowed it down. I got you, sir.
A police officer tried to stop the biker out of his vehicle. Well, let's just say that it didn't go as planned.
Psych!
Biker got away smoothly from the police. He wasn't even panicking. It's as if he does it on a regular. He even had some time to let the truck driver in at the roundabout. In this clip, you will see how a driver on the phone acts. No indicators here. and in this situation he cut the biker off immediately after indicating. He, however, forgot to check mirrors. He didn't forget to keep his eyes off the phone while driving for sure. In this clip, you will see a driver having some difficulties maintaining in his own lane. I'm not sure as to why, but one of the reasons may be he's using his phone while driving. Either way, a bad decision. Pedestrian who doesn't care at all. She was crossing the road despite having the red light on for pedestrians. Biker got cut off by a reckless driver who switched over to his lane immediately after indicating. The biker had to sit on his horn in order to avoid getting hit. Watch. In this clip, you will see a compilation of close calls made by this biker. He showed us just some of the situations in which people and other bikers cut in front of him without checking their mirrors. This is how it looks like.
Caralho, mais filho da desgraçado, velho.
Drivers nowadays really lack the patience. It's too bad that most of us learn the hard way, when it's too late and we are already the cause of an accident. I hope that by putting out clips like these, you guys see and get the general idea behind it. It's always better to be a bit patient than to be the cause of something really bad.
Me vendo? O cara, além de entrar ali já. Hey, porra!
After all, it's always a good thing if you can learn on other drivers' mistakes and never do the same. We'll go pure entertainment from the start. Enjoy! This guy's got some pretty decent moves, I ain't gonna lie. I like this.
Aí é bom mesmo. Depois eu vou pular. Valeu. Obrigado.
This truck driver cut across lanes and he blocked the off lane to make a U-turn.
Hey! What are you doing? You see us in the lane, right?
Apparently not.
Go, dude. Go! Pass that.
This biker got almost taken out by a crazy driver who switched lanes like there's no tomorrow. The biker had to sit on his horn and he barely managed to avoid that one. What's even worse, the driver then proceeded to tailgate the biker. It's as if almost hitting him wasn't even enough. That's right, buddy. Just look straight ahead. It doesn't matter who might be around you. The driver in the front stopped at the green light for some reason. This can be really dangerous, especially in heavy traffic. This biker almost rear-ended the driver, but fortunately enough, he managed to avoid hitting the back of the car. The Mustang driver in front apparently had difficulties maintaining a straight line. He was swerving over to biker's lane as well. Why? Because he can. Now what do we have here? A red light runner? Someone who doesn't look at his mirrors as well? And overall, a reckless driver who almost caused this biker to rear-end him and crash.
And the Khool, please, bro.
In this situation, we have a driver going in the wrong way.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Hijo de toda tu... Ay, no lo quiero decir. Unos hijos de toda su puta madre.
This biker filmed a careless fellow biker who has no regard for anyone's safety on the bike. He had his wife and 2 small children totally unprotected. This is as reckless as it gets.
No, no mames. Perdón que sea tan grosero, pero eso sí es...
This van driver got a bit careless and forgot to use his steering wheel. He drifted over to the biker and he almost hit him. While going back home from work, this biker hit a deer that was crossing the road. Luckily, he didn't crash off his bike. The lady in the car in front was reading a map while driving. You heard it right, folks. She was reading a map while driving. The same biker found himself in a similar situation again. This time around, a lady was on her phone while driving, and she nearly hit him. While riding, this biker found a spike trap in the middle of the road. He immediately pulled over to the side and threw it away on the grass, so no one would damage their vehicle. Props to this biker. A polite reminder by this biker to not use the phone while driving.
Get off your phone!
Watch your profanity.
This driver disregarded the traffic lights completely. They don't apply to him apparently. This driver pulled out in front of the biker without looking at the traffic coming from behind.
Dude!
The driver in the red car pulled out onto the road without attempting to look both ways before doing so. Luckily, the driver that was already on the road was driving slow and careful. He managed to stop on time and let the crazy driver onto the road first. This biker spotted a small turtle on the road, so he stopped to help it cross the road.
You don't want to be there, little buddy. Yeah, kickstand down. Hazards on. Hey, little guy. Hey, little guy! Oh, wow, you're fast. Kind of fast. Alright, yeah, that's alright. Just go into the grass, get out of the road. That's alright, give you a little bump. Turtle! Alright, come on, turtle power all the way down. Woo! Sliding for it. Good work, turtle. Okay, stay out of the road. Don't play in traffic. That's my job. Yay!
In this situation, a cyclist almost caused a nasty crash with another cyclist as he was getting off the pavement. She didn't check for any cyclists coming from behind and almost ended up colliding with one. The biker in front apparently missed his turn and he suddenly cut in the right lane in which another biker was right behind him. This was a reflex reaction, but still reckless and dangerous. The driver in this clip was driving like a madman. You can see him in the left lane. As he was going past the biker, he almost hit another vehicle. A crash was avoided, God knows how. This driver failed to give the right of way to the biker at the roundabout. Luckily, he managed to brake in the last second before directly colliding with the biker here.
What's that?
Huh?
That's a badass looking bike.
I said I didn't do nothing. What are you doing?
I haven't seen a white Gixxer in.
Man, we didn't do nothing right. I was like, what's so many people pulling in for? How you doing tonight?
Good. That thing's beautiful.
What's hers?
Wow, that is gorgeous. I had a Gixxer. Let's see, it was a 2005. It was the first year they put that Hayabusa front end on it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, it was so nice.
See, I like her front end more because it's.
Listen, you're gonna do it right. You're doing it right.
Exactly.
You guys be safe. Have a good night.
Yeah, you too.
Thanks.
Someone called the police because the lady in this clip was drunk and driving on the wrong side of the road. These officers had their hands full because she was being difficult to deal with, but one officer in particular simply couldn't take his eyes off the bikes. He was so distracted by them the whole situation looked kinda funny. Watch.
You guys got Maxi. That's awesome.
And with this cool police clip, we reached the end of yet another epic episode on Maxi channel. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this one as well. Until the next episode guys, ride safe and take care.